Deep in the heart of Cupertino, something massive is happening. While the world is still buzzing about the AI features of today, Apple has already signed off on a design that will change the smartphone industry for the next decade. We are standing at the threshold of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. This isn't just another yearly update with a slightly better camera and a new color. For 2026, Apple is planning a seismic shift that involves 2-nanometer chips, under-display sensors, and a camera system that physically moves like a professional DSLR. If you were thinking about upgrading this year, you might want to pause. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because the leaks coming out of the supply chain right now suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the most ambitious hardware leap since the iPhone 10. The first thing you'll notice about the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the disappearance of the notch and the shrinking of the dynamic island. For years, we've been staring at that pill-shaped cutout, but the all-screen dream is finally becoming a reality. Apple is reportedly using a technology called Hole-in Active Area, or HIAA. This allows them to hide the Face ID sensors directly beneath the pixels of the 6.9-inch display. You will see a near-seamless slab of glass, with only a tiny, microscopic punch hole for the selfie camera. This pushes the screen-to-body ratio to a staggering 96%. When you watch a movie or play a game on this device, it won't feel like you're holding a phone. It will feel like you're holding a window into another dimension. But the real magic is what's happening at the atomic level. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the first consumer device in history to feature the A20 Pro chip, built on TSMC's revolutionary 2-nanometer process. To understand why this matters, you have to look at the physics. By shrinking the transistors to 2 nanometers, Apple can pack billions more onto a single chip while using 30% less power. This isn't just a speed boost. It's a total reimagining of what a phone can do. This chip features a new wafer-level multi-chip module design, which integrates the DRAM, your phone's memory, directly onto the processor. This means data travels faster than ever before, making Apple Intelligence near instant. Siri won't just be an assistant. With the A20 Pro, Siri becomes a local, on-device AI powerhouse that can edit your photos, organize your life, and manage your emails without ever needing an internet connection. Now, let's talk about the camera, the reason most people buy a Pro Max. For the first time, Apple is introducing a mechanical iris, or variable aperture system. This is a game-changer for mobile photography. In the past, smartphone cameras had a fixed opening. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max will have a lens that physically opens and closes. In bright daylight, the aperture narrows to give you incredible detail and natural colors. But when the sun goes down, it opens wide to let in a flood of light, creating a natural, creamy, bokeh background blur that no software can replicate. Combine this with a rumored 200-megapixel main sensor, and the line between a smartphone and a $5,000 professional camera has officially vanished. But Apple is also thinking about the world beyond cell towers. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to debut the C2 modem, Apple's first completely in-house 5G and satellite chip. This doesn't just mean faster 5G, it means satellite-based 5G. Imagine being in the middle of the Grand Canyon or the Sahara Desert and still having a full, high-speed data connection.